Hello friends, I am Karthik Kumar Agarwal, advocate, and you are watching my channel Bharti Law. In our last session, we discussed about searches for anticipation under Section 13 of the Patents Act. Now, in this particular session, we will be discussing about Section 18, which talks about the powers of the controller in cases of anticipation. Whenever there has been a search under Section 13, so controller has to do certain duties. He has to undertake certain steps through which he'll be proceeding with the application. That has been described under Section 18. Now, there can be only three steps which a controller can take. Either he can refuse the application, either he can ask for the amendments, or either he can ask for the referral of the application through which your application is being amended. Your application is being anticipated. Now, when we talk about the refusal of the application, this happens when we are talking about anticipation under Section 13, subsection 1, clause A. When there has been an anticipation under that particular clause, 13(1)(a), then only the controller will straight away refuse the application, or if you are able to satisfy the controller that your application was made before the publication of the earlier application through which your application is being anticipated, or you amend the application to the satisfaction of the controller, then only he would proceed to the grant. Otherwise, it's a straightaway refusal. The second case is about Section 13, clause 1, subsection 1, clause B. When there is an anticipation under that particular clause, then the controller may ask you to refer the application which is anticipating your application in your specification, so that your application would move towards the grant. Again, you'll have to check that about the publication. So if your application was made prior to the publication of the earlier application, then you can straight away tell the controller that, look, my application was made before the earlier application was being published or it came into the public domain, so it would not be anticipating my application. But in both the cases, you will have to check for the publication date of the earlier application and the filing date of your application. Secondly, again, there has to be an amendment. So these are a few of the steps which the controller would be taking. These steps would be taken after the issuance of the first office objection or the first examination report, without which these steps would not be taken. So in reply to that, you have to satisfy the controller. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions, you can always drop them in the comment section below. I'll be also giving my phone number and the email IDs, so you can always text me or you can call me, and if I am not able to pick the call, I'll be reverting back as soon as possible. That's all for today. Please do like this video, subscribe my channel. Thank you.